Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Auertech portable washing machine and the SRVVTO portable small washing machine. Both are designed for convenience, but they cater to different needs. Let's see how they stack up against each other in terms of capacity, portability, and spinning capabilities. Whether you're living in a dorm, apartment, or RV, we have you covered. The Auertech portable washing machine boasts a total capacity of 28 pounds, with 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger loads, such as jeans and towels. In contrast, the SRVVTO portable small washing machine has a much smaller capacity of 13 liters, which is ideal for delicate items like baby clothes and underwear. If you need to wash more at once, the Auertech is the clear winner here. When it comes to portability, the Auertech weighs in at 31 pounds, making it less convenient for travel. However, it offers robust washing capabilities. On the other hand, the SRVVTO is ultra-lightweight at just 2.65 pounds and can be folded down to a mere 4.5 inches high, making it perfect for travel and storage. If you're looking for something easy to carry, the SRVVTO is the way to go. The Auertech features a powerful 1300 RPM spin cycle that significantly reduces drying time, providing near-dry results. In contrast, the SRVVTO has a basic spin basket that only removes excess water, leaving clothes damp. If effective drying is a priority for you, the Auertech is the better option. In conclusion, both the Auertech and SRVVTO washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Auertech is perfect for those needing a powerful, high-capacity option for regular laundry, while the SRVVTO is ideal for travelers or those with minimal laundry needs. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.